tears to show the strain. Torment of years has numbed the pain. They are ridiculed, bullied and shamed. They are in control and still feel the same. Apart they pray deep in the nights that they someday will win the fights. In the dark they see the lights, for joy they find of public sights. They are victimized for their beliefs. They are prejudiced for the life they lead. They have no voice, no true liberty. No chance, no choice, only bigotry. In the line, they are marginalized, infringed of rights, disenfranchised. Their hearts adhere to what they feel. They no longer run, no longer scared for kill.
They're stripped and grilled into disgrace. Their spirit never ceases to embrace. There's no space or time and place to solve a case, 'cause it's two-faced. Ngubani na uzosimela, ngubani na uzosilwela. They're mocked and cursed, stepped and stoned, but the love in them is never stopped. He loves him. He loves him. Don't you know? He loves him. Why don't you let them be? He loves him. Loves him. Why don't you let them be? La 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 la. He loves him. Don't you know? Don't you know? Now you know. He loves him and only him. Him and only him. Don't you know? Don't you know? He loves him. Him and only him. Him and only him alone. He loves him. Tribute to the fallen heroes and sheroes. Spamandla Khoza, Lindo Cele, Noxolo Nogwaza, Jacobus Stradom, Mestia Stradom, Liabona Mabishi, Yudi Simelane, Portia Mtweni, Andile Luluntutela, Jamie David, Simon Koli. Your spirit is eternal. Yeah.